Uber Eats to pilot drone-powered food delivery in the U.S. by year's end. Uber Technologies, Inc. and Flytrex, Inc. have announced a strategic partnership that brings drone delivery to the Uber Eats platform. The collaboration includes Uber's first investment in a drone delivery company, signaling a major step forward for autonomous logistics. Uber Eats drone delivery, launching pilot programs in the U.S. The companies plan to launch pilot services in select U.S. markets by the end of 2025. The program will pair Flytrex's beyond visual line of sight BVLOS certified drones with Uber's logistics network, aiming to create a seamless system for rapid delivery. Flytrex has already established itself as one of only 4 FAA-authorized providers for BVLOS operations. Its experience in operating under certified safety standards was a key factor in the partnership. According to the companies, the service is designed to reduce congestion and emissions while making delivery faster and more efficient. Uber's expansion into autonomous delivery. This move underscores Uber's ambition to build a multimodal delivery network, already using cars, bikes, couriers, and sidewalk robots. Uber will now add aerial delivery to its logistics toolkit. Autonomous technology is transforming mobility and delivery faster than ever before, said Sarfraz Moradia, president of Autonomous Mobility and Delivery at Uber. With Flytrex, we're entering the next chapter, bringing the speed and sustainability of drone delivery to the Uber Eats platform at scale for the first time. Together, we'll reshape how food, convenience items, and other essentials move through cities. The investment is also a milestone for Uber's delivery strategy. By adding drones to its network, the company expands its reach into last-mile logistics at a time when speed and cost efficiency are central to consumer expectations. Flytrex's growing momentum. For Flytrex, the partnership builds on a year of progress. The company recently announced that former Waze CEO and Google executive Noam Barden had joined as executive chairman. Barden highlighted the potential impact of the Uber alliance. The promise of autonomous vehicles is here, redefining logistics on the ground and in the air, Barden said. Autonomous drones are the future of food delivery, fast, affordable, and hands-free. Flytrex has already delivered over 200,000 meals to suburban households in the past 3 years. Partnering with Uber, pioneers of ground-based mobility, brings together proven logistics expertise with aerial innovation. Together, we're building the infrastructure for a future where autonomous systems seamlessly move goods through our communities, making faster, safer, and more sustainable delivery the new standard. With more than 200,000 completed deliveries across the U.S., Flytrex has demonstrated both reliability and safety. The integration of its drone system with Uber's network of restaurants and customers is expected to accelerate adoption of aerial logistics in the mainstream market. A new phase for drone delivery. Drone delivery is increasingly viewed as a solution to speed and sustainability challenges in last-mile logistics. Proponents argue that drones can cut delivery times from hours to minutes while reducing costs and emissions. By joining forces, Uber and Flytrex aim to prove that autonomous systems can scale effectively in busy suburban and urban markets. If the pilots succeed, this partnership could help shape the future of food delivery, transforming how consumers receive everything from dinner orders to daily essentials. Read more. DoorDash and Flytrex launch drone delivery in Dallas-Fort Worth. Flytrex and Wing launch first UTM-enabled drone delivery collaboration in U.S. Flytrex reaches new heights. 100,000 drone deliveries and counting in the U.S.